Are you on? Cheers.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to our channel, Irene and Danielle. And today,
Anyways, guys, so you have been asking us to do more vlogs, and the reason why we haven't been doing a lot of vlogs is because we are trying to let you guys get to know us better first with the sit down videos. But now I think you know everything, even down to our blood types. So now we're gonna do a quick run on the road. I want to go to a furniture store to look at some furniture, because not really furniture, appliances. My fridge is leaking. I need a new fridge, and one of our lovely subscribers, Margot, suggested this video, so definitely I'm going to go there and take a look, and then we're gonna bring you back if we are going to make a purchase. All right, guys. Plus we haven't eaten as yet. I'm kind of hungry, so we're gonna need some food. Just stay with us.
yes, and please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, so we can get to 10k subscribers. Come with us, guys.
Are you ready? You ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay, and that was one man in a support tone.
Are you on?
It's very good fun. Anton can't eat.
Anyways, guys, we are now at Uptown Portmore.
Yes.
This is where you call Uptown Portmore. Portmore is really turning into the quote-unquote parish that it is. It has a beautiful court, and that's where we're going. But also we want to visit the Fontana Pharmacy. I don't know what I'm going to purchase in there as yet. But anyways, guys, I really need to go and look at the fridge. So come with us as we visit. Alright guys, so for the first one, I don't think we should start here, because here seems like, I don't know. Alright guys, I will start from the lowest and then make our way back up, because these prices are looking exorbitant for my limited budget that I have. Wait, the food type originator? Oh, here we go. That's what I meant to say, like that one was the highest. So no, it's all right here. Guys, I'm taller than this fridge, so I can't buy this one. I can't buy a fridge that I'm taller than. $69. What is Mastertech? Pretty spacious.
Yeah, and I just do it.
Alright guys, so we have to tell you the prices in there, guys. This one is $69.99 plus tax.
Yeah.
Oh, but look at this. It's saying now 49 plus GCT. Oh, so then the on sale.
Just on 63.
The Bombay one here look better. Alright, this one look very nice. So sales report,
I said, come along, guys.
it's like, come along.
This way we go.
But it looks shorter.
Yeah, shorter, but and see how expensive.
Yeah.
This one is this.
Alright, come on.
And we stop right here. So
Yeah, guys, so we stop right here, because anything past right here, so I'm gonna think we can get able to afford.
Yeah.
This one look nice to the Whirlpool here. Alright guys, you see that Whirlpool here is saying 89, but you save, so 76 plus JCT, so you know JCT is 16.5%. And guys,
but today how much? Is that in?
oh,
28.
offer it. Oh, guys, you can't forget that a February offer end. So I'll go back up at 89. This look good though.
This is nice.
Guys, they call them components. Plus you have the water thing. More like that one here.
I like this. It's nice. Yeah,
Guys, I like this one.
so guys, which one should we choose?
So this is $9.99. Guys, we have to use this price because I don't think we're gonna get it before February. So it's a little bit. It's gonna be 16%. You had 16 to this, so this is practically 116,000 with GCT. So 116,000, and I will try to get the US calculation. And it's tall.
You can just check the cash price, the minimum cash price, 103,
Oh.
114.
So me tell you, I was really close. So guys, the cash price is 114,000.
This one is 95. This one is 88. And this one is 80.
112 Whirlpool.
What do you say? More expensive.
Guys, going down the line, it's where? Huh? Man, it's a big white fridge here. Guys, this is still 140, and plus it's super white. Yeah. Guys, so this is the one that we're gonna come for. I think so. Alright.
And if not, you can switch it to.
Maybe 76.
But the one here, nice space is just a bit small a bit.
Anyways, guys, so we went to Courts, then we went somewhere else. Guess where? We went to Starbucks. So Daniel is tasting Starbucks for the very first time. How does it taste?
It's okay. It's okay, but it tastes like, I don't know,
What did you get?
a caramel frappuccino.
Alright. But I'm not I am not a coffee fan, guys. I don't drink coffee like that.
But it's
So
good.
for Orion we have what? She actually spelled my name right, you know?
Dragon fruit. Just spelled mine wrong.
Probably she know me. I'm gonna know her. So let's taste it.
Well, guys,
Tastes like juice.
that me I tell you. That me I
Guys,
tell
I'm
you.
not really
I
drink coffee, but
believe
I
me.
sample it. Daniel is spelled like a boy.
Yeah. I guess I'm a boy. I don't know. But guys, that's it for today. Maybe we can go to an Indian man store and check out their prices for fridge.
It's disgusting. Bitter.
It's sweet, guys. It's good.
This is the best. Cheers. Now you make it this taste, but because the bitterness in your mouth and then
This is okay too. It's like juice. but
The
it's
first,
refreshing. It's not.
the first and the last for me personally. I'll never come back to this nonsense. But guys, stay tuned. I'm hungry, so we need to get something to eat. So I don't know what Daniel's talking about. See you soon. It's food time.
Fish box.
Eggs or just the fish, and brown stew. Just only? Yeah, just the fish. Alright guys, so we are back in the car. Outside is super hot, but we went right over there to Fish Spot at Sovereign, and we got...
Some food here.
No, this is Daniel's favorite. We can't come to Portmore and don't get some.
Pepper shrimp.
Oh, smells so...
Famous fish box.
That smells nice, man.
Yes. And we have some esca right here.
Guys, we only buy the fish only because we have juice already, and I don't want any more juice. I'm on fluid the what? Vinegar? Are you want that? See the escovitch. Oh guys, there's a lot of onion and garlic and
And you
stuff.
don't like any. The last item,
Last but not least, we have the king of the show.
some. Let me get that. Some brown stew fish.
Guys, and we get corn and stuff. So that's Fish Pot. So I guess we can conclude the video right here.
Yeah.
So Daniel, end the video for me, please.
Again, guys, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching the video. Please remember to let us know which fridge we should choose.
Yeah, definitely.
The cheapest one. Stay with the lower prices. And guys, please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend that Erin and Daniel is back.
Exactly. And guys, when you can't say we don't do one vlog. Guys, but side note, guys, it's very hard to vlog in Jamaica.
Very hard, guys.
I don't think Jamaica is conducive to content creating. The people, them don't want to get video, and they must steer by you. Guys, they make you feel so weird. You just feel like you want to do your business and just...
Yeah, and some
Alright
places
guys,
they cannot
that's
video.
just... It's not conducive to do content creating. People act weird. People, I think, are respecting their privacies.
Yeah.
And it's just a crazy place. So people...
And we respect their privacy.
And we
also,
respect
so
their
more.
privacy. So we will do as much as possible
Yeah.
to give you content in the commercial world. But if not, we'll have to go to the countryside where people
Yes,
is
where
fun.
it's easy and more friendly.
But anyways,
Go to 10K subscribers.
But anyways, that's it for Orain and Daniel. Starbucks and dragon fruit juice. Fish pot, quartz, road to 10K.
Subscribers.
Like, share, subscribe, comment your favorite part of the video.
Comment on the video, guys. Like up the video.
We love each and every one of you guys. Thank you.